Hey everybody, we got here the Magic Stick Club Edition e-Hookah. A little more of a higher end e-cigar, e-cigarette, or e-Hookah, or e-shisha, whatever you want to call it. So I'm going to take it apart and see what we got on the inside. Pretty hefty. I'm thinking it's probably going to be a little harder to get apart than the other one. So first, take off the coating. It should just be a sticker. Don't normally have to take this off to get it apart, but I think because this one's a little bit different, it might be nice to kind of see what's on the inside here before we get it apart. So I'm going to try to get the end off here. Again, it's a little bit heftier than the other one, so it's kind of harder to get apart, it looks like. Try the pliers on that. There we go. Got the end off. This one seems to have a little bit of a jewel in the end there. First thing out here, got the sensor. You can see the higher quality. It's got actually a silicone stopper there, but there's a sensor with the LED on it. Got the battery. Usually you're going to have a couple of wires break coming out there. 1.4. It's like a lithium ion. Another silicone stopper in here. Pliers on the other end now. Like that. Pretty standard. Got the cotton batting around there. Inside you got a tube to make sure that doesn't enclose on itself. And of course the you look closely, there's a heating element inside the tube with a little bit of a wick on it. You can feel on this one, because it's not finished yet, you can feel if you look on my hands, you can see the greasy liquid substance. It smells like wild honey in this case. So it actually hasn't even, probably not even halfway done on this one. I just thought I'd take it apart because it's really not a very good flavor. It's kind of oily, and you can tell it goes through the wick to the heating element to create the smoke. And that's it. There's nothing else in there. All done.